How to link Ticketmaster to Lysted. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to link your Ticketmaster account to Lysted and enable full automation, you'll need to follow these steps. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply search for lysted.com in the search bar and then log in or sign up to your account. Once signed up, you want to go ahead and simply tap on settings and then log in and then click on add and then choose Ticketmaster. Enter your Ticketmaster email and password. This allows Lysted backend to access the account to full ticket details, barcodes, and initiate transfer. After you have done that, you can go ahead and set up email forwarding for purchase confirmation. Before linking your account, ensure you have email forwarding enabled in Lysted. This is necessary for Lysted to receive purchase confirmation emails. And after that, you can go ahead and simply start the verification. Once you have added your Ticketmaster login, Lysted will verify your account. Make sure your username and password are entered correctly, as any errors will prevent Lysted from listing or transferring tickets. With your master account linked, Lysted can automatically transfer tickets to buyer after sales. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.